What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today, as you can see, we got a case video on deck, guys. We've got my Pixel 4a right here, my pocket shooter, very dope, very budget king Android phone, and we have my Urban Armor Gear Scout case. I gotta protect this thing, even though this thing is rough and tough by itself. I gotta put some protection on my devices. I love these cases from UAG. Shout out to them for sending it out. So we're gonna check the case out today, and this is again the UAG Scout. Let's get some focus going on by Urban Armor Gear. It's definitely a drop tested case, a rugged case for to protect your device, guys. Dependable protection from UAG. I've been getting UAG cases for a minute now. Prior to getting them for review, I definitely was spending my money on them. They're worth it, and they definitely last for a long time, guys. This is a case that you're gonna put on your phone, and you probably can have on your phone for the life of your phone if you don't like to buy different cases. They stay looking the same as they did when you unboxed them. And over the years, they can really take a beating, guys. These some good cases, but I'm built to go further, okay? And what we got going on here is soft impact resistant core, oversized tactile buttons, feather-like construction. So let's go ahead. We just not even gonna hold this up. Let's get the case out. As you can see, nice UAG packaging, always a clear front, showcasing the case, but we're gonna get this out the way because we're not working with a lot of space, guys. So here we go. This is the Scout from UAG. As you can see, we got that matte finish that I love with the gloss UAG branding. Nice hole for you to find that fingerprint scanner on the back. Very nice case, guys. As you can see, got the volume up and down with the symbols on there. Loving that. Got the power button with a little grip just to let you know that it's the power button. And on this side, it's plain. We just got a little texture right here that can help with grip. And grip protection is a big part of drop protection because it can keep you from dropping your phone. Got the cutout for that headphone jack right there, guys. Shout out to the headphone jack. And cutout for the speakers and that Type-C on the bottom. So let's go ahead and put the phone in the case. Looks very good in the case, guys. UAG. As you can see, nice big cutout. You can find your fingerprint scanner easy. Got some nice raised up protection around the camera. Nice UAG branding. Nice big cutouts on the bottom so you can fit your different Type-C cables up in there. Nice cutouts for the speakers so you can hear everything. And I love this amount of raised lip protection for the screen, guys. Very nice amount of raised lip protection. Buttons got a nice tactile button press also. So this is dope, guys. This is the Scout case, little black case to match the little black Pixel 4a. Very dope little Android phone. Need a dope little case from UAG, guys. So I'll put a Amazon link in the description. And yeah, this is BG Tech Life. This is my Pixel 4a, and this is my UAG Scout. You can follow me on BG_Tech Life on Twitter and Instagram. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed. Again, it's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.